Hello, brother and sister. Today we are come back again for give it a review for the NATUREHiKE camping folding table, which is the code is shown in front of us. This is the code, and now I will going to open up the bag and bring out the unit. And inside this, it has a map how to build up the table. And here is the unit. As you can see, there is a folding stick inside the package. Which will act as a leg of the table. And I will show you how to install them. But before I install, we are going to give it a measurement of the weight. (660 grams). I will separate the stick side. And it is divided to the 4 units. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you can see the stick have a spring rope. So when we want to attach it, just make it straight and it will close itself. Same with the other stick. You can hear the clicking sound. And here is how it looks like. And now I will going to attach 2 poles of this to the surface of the table. Take out the pole. Attach to the side of the table. Same with the other. And here is. Now we are going to merge the surface with the table fit. lock it. Same with the rest. And here we are, brother and sister. The table is ready for us to use. We can put the bottle or glass to the hole to secure it. We can see the material which is made it more lighter. It is sewn with the net and the Oxford material. Okay, I think that's all, brother and sister. Thank you for watching this video.